Ivygourd Coconut Fry Recipe. Very tasty and simple Ivygourd recipe. Usually served along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then keep it low flame. Add 2 red chillies cut into halves, 6 chopped shallots, some curry leaves, 2 cups of round chopped Ivygourd, 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 green chillie slits, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, open the lid and stir it. Cook for 2 minutes without closing the lid. Stir it every 30 seconds to avoid burning.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 2 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our Ivygourd Coconut Fry recipe is ready. Store it in a refrigerator if you are keeping it for the next day.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.